Hello and welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'm pleased to present to you the Audi approved used Audi Q3 S-Line. This vehicle is a 35 TFSI, producing 150 PS with the Tronic Gearbox. This vehicle is finished in Glacier White, which is a metallic paint option, and comes with the technology package, which includes the Parking System Plus, rear view camera, Sonos 3D premium sound system, heated front seats and Audi phone box. This vehicle also comes with LED headlights, which include daytime running lights and LED rear tail lights. The vehicle also comes with rear privacy glass and the chrome exterior package, which includes chrome roof rails. We move around to the rear of the vehicle where we have the tailgate, which can be electronically opened via the buttons on the key fob. When opened, it does reveal a 530 litre boot capacity, which can be further extended to 1,520 litres when the rear seats are folded in the 40-20-40 position. The tailgate can then be electronically closed via the dedicated button on the inside of the interior trim. We then move around the side of the vehicle and into the rear interior, where the rear seat bench can hold space for 3 passengers and is finished in a leatherette material. As you can see from the middle seat, it is able to fold down to reveal an armrest. We then pan around the rear of the vehicle and move ourselves into the front interior. The front seats are finished in the same leatherette material with contrasting stitching and has the S logo embossed onto the rear of the seat back. We then pan around to the multifunction steering wheel, automatic gear selector and MMI touchscreen. The MMI touchscreen allows driver access to the onboard car systems, including the radio, multimedia, telephone including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and navigation based systems. Located just below the MMI touchscreen, we have the air conditioning and climate control buttons, which can be manually operated. This vehicle also comes with front passenger heated seat and front driver's heated seat. This Q3 also comes with the Audi Drive Select, allowing the driver to optimise the vehicle to their preference, choosing between all-road, efficiency, comfort, automatic, dynamic and individual modes. The virtual cockpit on the Q3 also allows the driver access to the onboard car systems from behind the steering wheel, and this can be operated via the buttons either side of the wheel, allowing the driver to choose between the onboard car computer, multimedia and radio, telephone and navigation. That will now conclude today's video of our Audi approved used Audi Q3. If you do have any further questions in regards to this vehicle, please reach out to a member of our sales team, and thank you once again for choosing Stafford Audi.